you just tell the class a little bit about yourself and your background in the food and beverage industry?
Hi, everyone. My name is Sharon Wong. I was a Tim Hortons franchisee for over 20 years, so I'm very familiar with food costs, inventory, and dealing with the public. I've now transitioned to property management, which I enjoy very much. It's now I'm looking at the other end. Instead of being the tenant, I am now the landlord. So that was a very interesting transition. So I hope that I can contribute to, I guess, both sides of the spectrum for you. And as well, even though we are in this funny pandemic, I still think that you should keep with your dreams and reach for the stars.
Shannon Dupuy, been with CIBC as a financial advisor or a leader or service advisor in some capacity, 23 years now. I think we've worked on this together for 4 or 5 years. Wow, that's right. Yeah, it's going back a few. So we've had lots of fun doing this together, and I'm always very grateful to be included. I certainly think it's one of the most unique ways to wrap up a program and test your skills and have some fun with it and get creative. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what each of the teams have come up with. Love looking at the menus, of course, and seeing what other creative game plans that you have. Other than that, yeah, thanks for inviting me. Glad to be a part of it.